Start. On the other hand, he has been submitted by the learned State Council that it is very much clear from the contents of the complaint and the statement of the food inspector complainant within bracket PW1 that it was the buffalo milk which was possessed by the accused for sale and the sample of the buffalo milk was taken full stop. The accused is stopped from alleging that it was cow milk in view of the contents of the documents which were duly signed by him at the time sample was taken full stop. One of the sample was sent to the public analyst and it did not conform to the standard prescribed the buffalo milk full stop. It was correctly held by the trial court and the appellate court that the accused submitted the offence under section 16 within bracket 1 within bracket A within bracket I of the act full stop. There is no rule of law that before other evidence full stop. The accused has not been able to extract any such circumstances during the cross examination of the complainant on the basis of which it may be held that the statement so made in the court is not reliable full stop era. No doubt, it has mentioned in the complaint exhibit PE that the accused was having in his possession buffalo milk, but it is not incorporated therein as to how the food inspector came to the conclusion that he was possessing such milk and not cow milk full stop. Even while making the statement in the court, he did not dispose about any such fact full stop. It is not his statement that the accused made a representation that he was having buffalo milk for sale full stop. When he was cross-examined, he denied the suggestion that cow milk was written on the drums of the accused full stop. He voluntarily added that nothing was written there on full stop. Then how he came to the conclusion in the absence of any representation of the accused that he was having buffalo milk full stop. The witnesses examined by him in the defense have stated that he was selling only cow milk full stop. Reference in that regard can be made to the statements of Om Prakash within bracket DW1, Jess Jaipal within bracket DW2 and Jagat Singh within bracket DW3, who was joined by the food inspector but was not examined by him in the court for corroborating his statement full stop. He categorically, stated that on the drums of the accused cow milk was written and that fact was also told by him to the food inspector full stop. This witness was not examined by the complainant on the ground that he has been won over by the accused full stop. Merely making of that statement in the court will not make these witnesses a condemned witnesses full stop. His testimony was not challenged by cross-examination and examining him on the aspects on which he made the statement full stop. Only a suggestion was put that after siding with the accused, he has made a false statement full stop. His statement creates a doubt in the statement of the complainant that the accused was having in his possession buffalo milk full stop. The accused has been, able to prove full stop